Dear viewers, we're going to show you how to make scrambled egg. First of all, we're going to put knob of butter. We're going to put 4 eggs. We're going to break them. We always put it in a slow flame. When the pans get too hot, we got to make sure we're gonna cook it. So it's going to be cooled down. Now we're going to add a bit of milk in it. Some people they like double cream, but I prefer my milk. So it's cooled down the pan. We're going to work on it. Viewers, we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. Lots of pepper. Look at that. This is lovely, beautiful, smooth, and is not dry because I don't want my scrambled eggs to be dry. Okay, now we're gonna serve it. Viewers, my scrambled eggs on toast is served. Bon appetit and enjoy.